Alright, so another quick point I want to add is that when you're combing out your wig, also remember to comb under the bottom. So the section that is attached to the perimeter of your hair, comb that's on the part of the wig. Don't just comb on top and expect that it's gonna comb right through. You comb both top and bottom, so you reach the hair underneath and you reach the hair on top. So you reach all those knots and your hair should be fine afterwards. So this is the hair before. As you can see, it's clean, but it's a bit nappy in some areas. And we're gonna see the hair transform and the curls restored in a few. Hair is very knotted, especially in the back sections, as you can see, very knotted. So what I really like to do before I get started, I like to just comb the hair out with a big tooth comb, and then I'm gonna blow dry with some conditioner, blow dry the hair with some conditioner, and then from there I flat iron and re-moisturize. Work in progress. So it's oiled and to be curled.